Threading cycle. Select the F6 icon. For this operation, we'll be using outside threading, and you can select from inside or outside using the half key. Define your part. Xi and Zi, the starting point of our X and Z coordinates, will be X 0.5 and Z minus 0.25. The Z finish is the ending point of our Z coordinate. In this example, we will be using Z minus 1. Select the thread type you would like to use. You can use the half key to toggle through the different types of thread. In this example, we will be using UNC. The diameter that we are threading will be 0.5. And this value will indicate at what distance from the end of the thread this tool starts exiting. In this example, we will be using 0. And we will not be using an I/O angle. Safety distances are 0.1 for both X and Z. Machining conditions. In this one, we will be using RPM, S max at 1500, in a clockwise direction. S is our spindle speed. In this example, we are using a value of 900 RPM. T is the tool number, and we are using tool 3. And D will be the offset, and we are using D3. The maximum delta is the maximum amount of material that is going to be taken off per pass, and we will be using 10 thousandths. The minimum delta will be 1 thou. This icon chooses to repeat the last threading spring pass or not. We will be repeating the last pass for this example. Simulate the program. And save your cycle to your part program.